Hi everyone, my name is David White and I'm the Content Marketing Director here at Connected Free, and today I want to do a super quick vlog on a PR tip. It's about how to use competitor rankings to better your link acquisition strategy. So imagine you are building a campaign around the best areas to retire in Europe, okay? Now you've obviously done your research, it's a relevant story for the client or the site that you're building links to, and you're ready to go to the media, and you've probably already pulled a media list and started outreaching to relevant media outlets the data that you've pulled as part of your campaigns. Did you know that there is a way that you can use Ahrefs to check competitor rankings that actually benefit your link profile? Stick with me, okay? So what you want to do is the campaign page that you have built, input that into the search bar of Ahrefs. Now, within there, you will then see a section called Top Competing Domains. Click that section. What the tool Ahrefs will then do is it will scan your campaign page to find keywords, and then it will also look for other articles which are ranking for the keywords that you've obviously inputted into your campaign. Now, the first thing you want to know is that some of the links that it will pull through will be links that you've had placed. So for example, if I've got that story landed in The Guardian, you might see the Guardian article appear. So first of all, remove all of the URLs where you have placed that story and got a link back from. What you'll be then left with is a bunch of URLs which are talking around the best places to retire in Europe, which is perfect for the campaign that you're building links to. What you want to do then is break that into two more sections. So the first one is break that out into businesses who have created that story for link building purposes, and the second one is just pull out the rest of them, which should be just editorial sites. The editorial sites you can then work your way through, and if relevant and if of decent quality, you can approach with your data to see if they want to write a story, because clearly that kind of topic and that kind of content is of interest to them. That should help you increase the amount of links you get. With the second data set, the sites that have run a similar campaign to you, check what links they got to their content, because there's a good chance that they've probably outreached that. If they've outreached places and got links which you may have missed off your media list, again, you can approach the journalists and try and get a link back to your content, because clearly the journalists that they talk to like the content, that style of content, the content that you've created. So every time you build a campaign, input it into Ahrefs, check top competing domains, follow the steps I've just listed out, and I can guarantee you'll be building bigger and better links overnight. Thank you for listening, and I hope you stay safe.